Hello everyone, welcome to English 1400. Today we're going to be reviewing chapters 3 and 4 that we read for this week. So I ask you to take out your books and open it up to chapter 3 and we'll go from there. Neil, are you all right? All right, thank you. Next question is for Rose. Rose, can you please tell me which theme stood out to you in chapters 3 and 4? Rose, I can hear that you're listening to some music. If you wouldn't mind just turning that down and answering my question regarding themes in questions 3 and 4. Rose, can you please turn off that music and focus on the class? Thank you so much. Oh, goodness.
Yes, still here.
Are you okay?
Hey, how are you doing? Okay, stop. Just a minute. Wait.
In his journey. Wait, is that chewing? Yeah, I'm gonna ask whoever's eating if you could please refrain from eating at this time so we can return to our discussion. Oh, Adrian, that's a nice background. I like that one. Going back to the lesson, as I was saying, I think in chapter 3, from that one quote we were discussing, you can really see what the hero is going through and his emotions. Oh, Adrian, looks like you're having fun with those backgrounds. How about let's return to the text? So yes, that, like I said, that quote, Adrian? Adrian? Okay, let's return to the textual evidence. Thank you.
That was a weird dream.
It's time for class.
It's time for the class.
Okay, class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English 1400. Before we get started, I want to go over a couple of quick best practices for Zoom. So I'm going to ask that you please mute your microphone unless you're participating in the discussion. I will call upon you at certain times to participate, so please be ready to go. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the microphone option, and there you'll see the option to mute or unmute the microphone. So please refer to that throughout the lesson. I can see that everyone looks ready to go. You're in a quiet study space, so that's great. Let's get started.